What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Charge It Up. Really quick video, just an addition to the R6. I've gone ahead and taken these two portions right here, the top panels, the plastic panels here. I've taken them off and actually sent them in with the Model X to Complex Auto Designs. Yep, you know it. I'm actually gonna wrap them in the same carbon fiber. All right, so I sent the pieces off, got the pieces back, and here they are. Just another awesome job by Complex Auto Designs here in Ajax, and they look awesome. So they're gonna go on the bike like this, and it's just gonna add to the actual carbon fiber portion of the bike. Let's put these on. Super simple here. Push down, forward, and then just pop. That pops in right there. And you grab your two push pins. Nice and easy, like so. And that one's in. We'll grab the other one. This one's going to be a little harder because the Model X is right beside me, but I'm sure I'll manage. Just put on, push forward, push forward, and then down. And there it is. Grab the two push pins. Nice. That looks sick. All right, now you can see that you can come from the tail, carbon fiber, go to the tank pad, carbon fiber, soft touch that is. Got the carbon fiber on the tank, and then carbon fiber on the top panels. That looks nice. I like it. Looks pretty. Woo! Awesome. Alright guys, that's it for today's video. Carbon fiber panels, upper panels installed. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. And we'll see you in the next one.